Want to make more money online? Try these tips. Making money online today is something that a lot of people consider doing because who wouldn't want to work from the comfort of your own home? If you desire to make a little extra cash online, or maybe one day earn a full-time income, then the following video was written for people like you. Continue on for solid tips on making money online. One great way to make money online is to use a site like Etsy or eBay to sell things you make yourself. If you have any talents, from sewing to knitting to carpentry, you can make a killing through online markets. People want items that are handmade, so join in. Sign up for a site that will pay you to read emails during the course of the day. You will simply get links to scan over different websites and read through miscellaneous text. This will not take you a lot of time and can pay great benefits in the long run. Design and build websites for people on the web to make some extra cash on the side. This is a great way to showcase the skills that you have using programs like Composer. Take a class beforehand on website design if you want to brush up on your skills before starting up. If you are dedicated to making money online, you should be following blogs on the topic. You need to spend 20% of your time learning about the online market and 80% working through it. Blogs are a great way to find out about new opportunities or beneficial tips and tricks. Now more than ever people make money online, and since you just came across a great video with excellent tips about the subject, it is your time to cash in. With these tips that you just read, use them wisely to help yourself gain a foothold in the internet cash-making marketplace. Keep learning, and always look for new ways to generate money online. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.